Now, here's Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
By tracking a solid line of some rain on live Pinpoint Doppler 12 radar north and west of Providence, and you can see it stretched across northeastern Connecticut and southern Worcester County. This is moving off to the east and northeast and will impact at least far northwestern Rhode Island, Woonsocket, and out towards southern Worcester County over the next roughly hour. Associated with a cold front, the leading edge of drier air. It's going to knock down the temperatures a little overnight and eventually clear the skies out in time for a dry, blustery Friday. Threat tracker now through Saturday in the low-level green, as things will be quiet in terms of precipitation and big storms. But next couple of hours, we'll see some widely scattered showers with the front and then things drying out thereafter. Skies are partly cloudy in Providence right now, still very mild, 58. We know the cold front hasn't come through yet because the wind is still southwest. When the cold front comes through, that wind will switch to the northwest, and that's when those humidity levels will start to drop off and the cooler air will work in. Still unseasonably mild for a late November night. 61 in Smithfield, actually Oakland Beach and Warwick, and 58 in Smithfield. Temps now upper 50s to still low 60s along the coastline. Here's the wider view. Cold front now through upstate New York. Once that sweeps through, the drier air works in. That'll take a couple of hours to happen. Thereafter, the wind will start to pick up. And the reason why, look at this developing intense storm. You can see this little spin in the satellite photo. Play it back one more time right there. Now moving it to upstate New York and northern New England. Intensifying storm that'll pull to our north, so it's not impacting us in terms of precipitation for tomorrow, but the wind on the backside of it very gusty, so blustery conditions driving in some dry air for Friday. So it's a quiet day in terms of precipitation, but it is noticeably gusty and very windy. Temps overnight dropping through the 40s. Here we are at 8 o'clock in the morning. Sunshine. Temps starting off upper 40s to low 50s. During the afternoon, mid 50s for high temps around 12, 1 o'clock in the afternoon. A cloud-sun mixture, and then noticeably cooler weather arriving by evening. By 6 o'clock in the evening, 48 degrees, and we're setting up for a colder night, even the chance for some snow showers in the Berkshires of Massachusetts late tomorrow night. Nothing around here. By 11 o'clock tomorrow night is down into the mid-40s. So blustery, sunny tomorrow morning. By 11 a.m., 57. Temperatures holding in the upper 50s to briefly near 60, but then cooling off late day. Very windy. You may see gusts up to 30 miles per hour, so boaters, a gale warning for your Friday afternoon. 7-day futurecast, much colder Friday night. It is a dry weekend, but chilly on Saturday, and the wind is still gusty. We're forecasting 48, but the wind chills at times will be in the upper 30s. What happened? Let me try that 7-day one more time. Hold on, keep your fingers crossed. There we go. And on Sunday, there's not as much wind, but it is a cool day, sunshine and a temperature at 53, but very blustery on Saturday. And then we'll get into a moderation in temperature next week with daytime highs bouncing back up to 55 to near 60. So very windy next couple of days. Weekend is dry, warming trend next week, and essentially the next 5 to 7 days pretty dry.
All right. Thank you, Tony. Coming up.